pic of our room. Video. Garden of Eden. Come in. Let me close this door. Okay. See, this is the living area. There's Babe. Sitting in a koozie. Apparently. Turn the lights on. It's pretty big, actually. There's a little eating area. TV. Everything was pretty clean. They do a good job. A little fireplace. Gotta buy another logwood, I think.
Yeah.
In the gift shop. Here's the little pool area. Yay!
Pools.
About to jump in with the phone. No, I'm kidding. Then I won't be able to show
like a
this video.
sauna.
I know, the sauna's back there. It's actually kind of little. I'm going to try to walk through this. If I can take off my shoes. Because they're wet from the snow. Okay. Hopefully I don't fall. Some mirrors. Little sauna area. Just sit here. Chill. Electric sauna. Okay, I'm retarded. Pool, very nice. Every place is warm, except the bathroom. The bathroom is absolutely freezing, but it's okay. Got a little walk-in closet. Our stuff, our junk. Area, the bathroom with all our stuff. Toilet, shower. And that's about it. It's the end of my video. Later.